All. So we are Group Scooter Express from Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology, Civil Department. We are here to produce our audit course. So my group members are Sarthak Chordia, me myself Vedant, Manswa, and Sujal Bora. So after getting the synopsis, we have answered the few questions out of given eight. A total eight questions we have answered. So first question is the company wants to do an analysis of the app and what it needs to improve it. Mind map the top 10 features you would want to in an app for the electric scooter and explain the top 5 features which would be most useful and why. So we have noted the 10 features. They are as follows. So first is real-time battery status. Second is smart charging alerts. Third one is live location tracking. Fourth, nearby charging station locator. Service center booking. 6. Ride history and statistics. Document upload and retrieval. Firmware and software updates. Theft alert and security features. And user friendly and clean UI. From the 10, also from the above 10, the top 5 most useful features according to us are also noted. So first one is real-time battery status, which is essential for monitoring charge level during rides. Second is smart charging alerts, ensures timely reminders to charge, reduce unexpected power loss. Live location tracking, adds security and help with route planning. Nearby charging station that helps riders to find support quickly, and theft alerts is prevent misuse or theft, increasing trust in the product. Second question, what are some of the design considerations you would have for designing the storage feature and what all will you need to consider for security of the documents while designing the architecture? So designing the document storage feature demands both usability and strong security. First, documents like registration and insurance must be uploaded securely from the app and accessed from both the mobile app and the vehicle dashboard. The storage should be cloud-based with end-to-end encryption AES 256 and multi-factor authentication to access sensitive files. Role-based access ensures only the owner can modify or delete data. From a UI perspective, documents should be categorized and easily retrievable with thumbnail previews and offline cache options. On the back end, secure API endpoints with OAuth 2.0 authentication, data at rest encryption, and regular compliance checks like ISO 27001 should be implemented to protect user privacy and comply with data regulations. Now, next question will be discussed by my fellow mates. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sujal Bora and I would like to answer the question 3. List the potential reason for any two of the uses which the customers have complained about and write the test scenarios you would use to test and ensure they have been fixed. So the complaint one is scooter gives uncomfortable ride on road roughs. Reason suspension is not strong enough for rough roads. Wheels may not be stable on even surfaces. Body of the scooter does not absorb shocks properly. Test scenarios. Here are some test scenarios which will help in resolving the problem. Ride the scooter on dirt and bad roads to check comfort. Test at normal and high speeds on these roads. Check how suspension works with heavy and light riders. Try sharp turns on rough path to test balance. Compare ride quality with other scooters in the same price range. Complaint 2. Battery charge drops suddenly without warning. Reason. Below are some reasons for the above complaint. Battery drains quickly and gives no proper alert. Mobile app and scooter may not be synced well. No clear signal when battery is low. Scenarios. Here are some test scenarios which will help in resolving the problem. Test the scooter by riding it in different modes, eco, normal, sports. Check if alerts come with battery reaches 20%, 10%, and 5%. Match battery percent shown on scooter and mobile app. Try running it for long rides and check battery behavior. Log the battery usage and charging cycles to track performance. I would like to answer question 4. Use the inside out and outside in technique of releasing a product to the market and list the top 5 things you would do inside out planning to release the new app to market and outside in planning for releasing the new app. So the inside out strategy is internal first approach. The approach focuses on preparing everything within the company before launching the product to the customers. Finalize features and UI, internal testing and bug fixing, performance optimization, employee training, and team alignment. So, in finalize features and UI, we decide on all app features and set a clear, easy to use layout for users. The second point, the tech team checks the app for errors and removes any bugs. Performance optimization improves the app speed and reduce loading time for glitches. Employee training trains all staffs, especially customer support, on how to use the app and solve user issues. Team alignment makes sure that all department, design, marketing, tech support are on the same page for smooth launch. Outside in strategy, customer first approach. This part is about understanding what customer really wants and adjust the product accordingly. User surveys and research collect feedback through forms or interviews. What features people want in the app. Beta version release. Let some users try the app early and give reviews or report problems. Social media and influencer bug. Buzz, promote the app with relatable posts and influencers to create curiosity before the launch. Pricing and packaging, deciding on the price that fits the market offers value to the customers. Customer support readiness sets up the support system, chat, email, phone for solving user queries quickly after launch. The next question will be answered by my fellow mate.
So my name is Manswa Gade, and I will tell about question number 5. Based on the list of top 10 features you have selected, do a relative priority exercise to make them from priority 1 or priority 2, and then from 1 to 10, and explain what you have decided those priorities. First priority is high priority. These are top 5 features that a customer would mostly care about during daily uses. First one is a real-time battery status. Everyone wants to know how much battery is left while riding. Second one is smart charging alerts. Tell you when to charge and avoid sudden power cut. Third one is nearby charging stations. Helpful when battery is low and you are far from home. Fourth one is theft alert system, gives a sense of safety and peace of mind. Fifth one is live location tracking, useful for the find the scooter if it's lost or stolen. Then priority 2 is medium priority. This help us not something needs that needs to be fixed or added urgently. First one is service center booking, make it easier to book servicing, but can also be done by call. Another one is document storage, handy to have all papers like RC, insurance, etc. Third one is firmware updates, keeps the app and scooter system bug free but not urgent. Fourth one is ride history, good for people who track their travel but not needed by everyone. Fifth one is clean UI, a clean look always feels better but not a top priority. Question number 6. The company is collecting the data in the cloud already but have had performance issues to update. Collect the data and update the app. What can be reasons for that? Would need to improve for data integration from the vehicle to the cloud and send the data post analyst to the app. Problem and fixes for cloud data integration. First problem is that data not synced properly. Fix use real-time applications like WebSockets or MQTT for low latency data transfer. Another problem is app shows old data. Then fi- the problem fix implement background sync checks to always fetch latest cloud data. Third problem is files fail to upload. Use chunked uploads with retry logic to handle network drops. Fourth problem is privacy and security concerns. The problem fix is use authentication, secure tokens, and encrypt protocols. Fifth problem is poor internet causes failures. Add offline mode with local storage plus autosync when back online. Sixth problem is data mismatch between app and dashboard. Then how to problem fix is use versioning and timestamps to detect and resolve conflicts.
The company would like the app to have intelligence and provide recommendations to the driver. What kind of data should the app collect from vehicle and what kind of recommendations can be done? Is there a possibility to use ML and or AI for this analysis? So what can be the use cases? The app can collect telemetry data such as speed, terrain, battery degradation patterns, charging history and riding habits. This data can enable recommendations like optimized route planning for maximum battery efficiency, predictive battery maintenance alerts, and personalized ride tips to extend battery life. ML models can be trained for battery health forecasting, user-based ride profiling, and even anomaly detection, predicting if part might fail soon. AI can also offer contextual insights. For example, you usually ride 10 kilometers per day. Please charge tonight to avoid battery drain tomorrow. This transforms the app from a tool to a proactive assistant. What can be the business and operational metrics and measurements the company can use for the new version of vehicles and the goal they have for it? Business metrics can be around revenue, profits, etc., while operational metrics can be around quality, delivery time, etc. What all can be the metrics which companies measure their performance when manufacturing and selling electric vehicles? Business metrics. Sales volume, monthly, quarterly. Profit per unit, target should be 10%. Market share, goal to rise from 4th to the 2nd. Customer acquisition cost, CAC. Average revenue per vehicle, ARPV. Operational metrics are defect rate, goal, 0 key issues post launch. Vehicle return or complaint rate should be reduced. Production cycle time, app uptime and crash rate should be reduced. Delivery lead time. These metrics enable tracking the company's product success, operational efficiency, and customer satisfaction in a quantifiable way.
Thank you.